So we're out here at Trail's Edge today. I'm just going to go over what we use for our building envelope and why that's important on this project and why this would be important if this was your home. So on most houses, they use this white house wrap and then they use a red tape to stick it on around windows and doors and any other penetration. On our project, we use this PassivSeal, which went from the concrete to the wall at the very bottom. It stops bugs from coming in, as well as air from coming into the building. That's where moisture starts on a building. Then we went with a VYCOR ENV-S, which is a peel and stick membrane that's also permeable, which means the moisture can come out through the wall if need be. On the top, we have the PassivTape, which we sealed all the doors and window openings with. It's an acrylic tape, really great to work with. And we're excited to use these products all again.